In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log out of Notion in your browser, step by step. This is perfect if you're using a shared computer, switching accounts, or just want to make sure your Notion workspace is fully signed out for security reasons. A lot of users get confused because the logout option in Notion isn't immediately obvious, especially if you're new to the platform or using it in a browser instead of the desktop app. So stay with me, and I'll walk you through the entire process in under a few minutes. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to notion.so. Make sure you're logged into the Notion account that you want to log out of. Once the Notion interface loads, you should see your workspace with your pages and sidebar visible. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. This is where your account controls are located. You'll see your profile picture or initials along with a small arrow icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that arrow. When you click the arrow, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several account and workspace options, including settings, templates, and account-related actions. From this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Log Out. Once you find it, click on Log Out. After clicking Log Out, Notion will ask you to confirm your action. You'll see a confirmation prompt that says something like Log Out of your account. This is just to make sure you didn't click it by accident. Go ahead and confirm by clicking the Log Out button in the confirmation window. Once you do that, you'll be immediately signed out of your Notion account in the browser. You'll be taken back to the Notion login screen, which confirms that you're fully logged out. At this point, your session is ended, and anyone else using this browser won't be able to access your workspace unless they log back in with your credentials. This is especially important if you're on a public or shared computer, or if you manage multiple Notion accounts and need to switch between them. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Notion in your browser. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, productivity guides, and easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.